Hi, good morning. Welcome to the Intro Show. I'm Christine Tadino.
And I'm Peng Mendoza.
And I'm Sheila Ruiz. Good morning.
Good morning.
So,
Hi Sheila.
Hi, Sheila.
It's nice to be here
Hi,
in
Miss Peng and Miss
Cebu.
Tin. Welcome to Cebu.
thank you.
We were just wondering, nga pala,
Wondering
kwento mo
what?
naman.
Ano yun?
What were you doing before
Oo nga.
Lifestyles?
Ay, hindi nyo alam. Actually, before Lifestyles, pinaka-recent is I used to do styling, event styling, event designing business. Parang ganito, flowers, decor,
So very
and
artistic
on.
ka.
And so
Right, runs in the family.
You can see
So
naman.
stressful, sobra. You said it, grabe.
Events, man.
Walang tulog for more than 24 hours kasi you have to set up may nahabol kang time. So I was hungry, ugly, and broke.
Oh.
Even with the 11 years traditional business.
Pero parang ang ganda ng business mo.
Parang,
So
oo,
shock.
kasi you're famous. The Alta are seeking your services. Ganon. So it's the prestige. Pero savings-wise,
But you like what you're doing.
I love it. Passion ko yun. Akala ko, yun na yung endpoint ko eh.
Oh.
I never expected I'll be in Lifestyles.
So,
So what
bakit
happened?
ka?
Oo.
Why did you join Lifestyles?
Because of the Prada.
Oh,
Intra.
of course, Intra.
Same as
Same
meaning yun
as
din.
ours.
Parang yun talaga.
No cliche, but it started with a product.
Okay.
I had no intention of doing the business.
Yeah.
No, because I was already happy with my traditional business
Yeah.
then. Pero, yung bullseye ka sa product, na-address yung
Pareho
chronic fatigue.
pala tayo.
Oo,
Chronic
diba?
fatigue sa'yo.
Chronic fatigue. I sleep 8 hours pero pagising ko puyat pagod pa rin.
And
May yung ulcers ko nawala.
Yung
Wala.
tito ko, napainom ko yung ulcer, ganun din, nawala.
nag-benefit.
O, nag-benefit siya.
Ako yung daughter ko naman, she was 3, very young, pero when she took Intra, nawala yung skin asthma.
Oh,
niya.
skin asthma.
That's
So,
how
nung
it
nag-work
started.
sa'yo yung product, nagtuloy
Nag-work.
ka na sa
Kaya when
Lifestyles.
nag-work yung product, syempre, natural ako nag-share. Relatives, family,
Correct.
friends.
And in fact, you're already doing the business.
Hindi ko alam, I was already doing the business.
Exactly.
Simply
Same
sharing.
here.
Oh,
Same
just
here.
sharing and now doing the business.
Kasi, hindi ko alam.
Doon tayo magkaiba.
Bakit?
Ako, even as I was buying the product, I really don't like to join network marketing.
Bakit?
Pero alam mo na.
Oh,
Alam mo na
kasi
yung concept.
I thought it's a scam. Yung
Ayun
hindi siya
din.
magandang business. So,
Skeptic
ayoko
din ako.
umattend. So, even though I was buying, because
Basta
I
user
can
ka
buy
lang.
health.
Basta,
Yun yung nasa isip ko, healthy product, I can buy health. Huwag na yung business.
basta you just want to take the product.
Oo. Pero I was using it long term na. So I realized I'm using it long term. Might as well do the business na.
Kaya.
Kasi if you don't, it's gonna be really expensive.
Yeah, lugi ka
Lugi
doon.
ka, lugi ka.
Tsaka, a lot of your family members are already taking the product, lalo ka lugi. Kasi hindi lang naman ikaw umiinom.
Tsaka
diba?
malilimit yung intake.
Pero
Totoo.
looking back, buti na lang, I looked at the presentation. If not,
Yes.
kung hindi ko nakita yung presentation, I might have not joined the business.
At walang GMT Peng
Yes.
Mendoza.
At wala.
Ngayon.
And we wouldn't be living the life na.
Kaya wala tayong mentor, wala tayong coach.
Ang galing pa naman ng presentation, no? It's so simple.
Simple. Tsaka ang
Simple
saya.
people.
Kaya pag nag-i-invite ko, sabi ko, punta kayo doon kasi masaya.
Masaya. Like, you really don't know what to expect. And then, ako, when first time that I attended, it was like, initially, I was shocked. Kasi sabi ko, ibang profile ng mga tao na nandun. Pero you know what? After the presentation, I really felt, ang sarap-sarap na feeling that I can relate to these people.
Napapayes ka,
Yes,
di ba?
Yes.
Yes ka.
So
yes
different
ka.
from work. So
Oo,
different.
and they're so,
So
authentic. Authentic. And you can see the love for each other,
Oo,
yung mga
you
members.
can really feel that.
Tsaka, di ba tayo galing from the corporate
Oo,
world, so
and then-
formal. I love the culture. Happily informal.
Yeah.
Gusto ko yun. You can be
Yung
yourself.
na-express mo yung sarili mo.
And no pretenses.
Totoo.
Pretenses.
No pretenses.
That's the main reason bakit ako natuwa dito sa Lifestyles. I used to be so self-conscious.
Ganun ba, Miss
insecure.
Peng?
Parang ano,
there
I
was a
think-
time.
makikita.
There was a time talagang
Talaga?
insecure ako. Wala akong confidence.
Walang bahid.
I didn't
Wala
know
na
na may
eh.
silbi ako sa
Mendoza.
buhay.
Talaga?
So when I joined, yung support ba nila sa'yo,
You can feel it.
You can feel
True,
talaga. They
true.
want you to succeed. They
True.
talk about
True.
your dreams, personal growth, your authenticity,
Tsaka yung
whoever
ang dami
you
mong
are.
cheers.
Whoever you are, tatanggapin
Tatanggapin ka.
ka. Sini-cheer ka. O,
Mas
ano,
nagkamali ka.
Oo.
Yes pa rin.
Yung sabi na, come as you are, then we will take you as how you are.
As
Yes.
how you are.
Yes.
That's really true.
And you will transform from there.
True.
Kung hindi ganon, I doubt kung magiging confident.
Ilang
and
years ka
confident.
na, Miss Peng, sa lifestyle?
Tagal na. This is my 20th year.
Wow!
I joined
Decades.
1999.
Decades.
Pero mo,
Sabagay.
1999, text lang meron noon.
True. Oo,
wala
pang
pang Facebook, wala pang...
Ano pa nga nun di ba? Yung physical pocket man. Ako, it shows our age.
Ako, I'm already 18 years.
Wow, debutant!
18 years.
Ako, I'm here at the youngest.
Your-
Ilang may how
I
many
just
years?
turned 8.
Wow,
so
congratulations!
Thank you.
Generation X.
Enjoy your first 10 years.
Yes.
Up on your 10th year, talagang yung
Lahat yan.
income mo, grabe.
Wow,
iba.
na-enjoy ko na nga ngayon.
Others more.
More.
Oo, what you
More.
enjoy
I'm looking
now.
forward to it.
Tsaka not only that, the benefit, that not just financially,
Uh-huh.
pero talagang it's something na ako when 18 years ago, feeling ko naman I wasn't sick and all. But still, I tried the products. It was only after that, pag nagre-reunion kami ng mga friends ko, sabihin nila, wow, parang you don't look any younger.
Ay,
I don't look any
yeah,
older,
that's
I mean.
true.
I
That's
so
true.
can relate
Oo,
also.
Parang
oo,
iba
I
ang
enjoyed
look nila.
that. I love saying to people, I'm 50 years old.
Oo, like kahapon, di ba? Manghang-mangha yung
Si
sales
friend.
lady. Sabi niya,
50 ka na?
50 ka na.
Oo.
Totoo.
What are
After
you
8
enjoying?
years in lifestyles, I'm living the life that I want. I never expected that in my 8 years in lifestyles, I get to enjoy travels. Kasi I love to travel. Kaya din ako na-in-love sa network marketing. Kasi sa traditional business, para akong I'm a prisoner
Box.
of my own box. Kasi I cannot be away from my business for a long time. Then, loans manager sa bank, I can't take a leave for more than 5 days. That's maximum na, 5 days.
Unlike here, parang you get to manage your own time.
True.
Diba?
Tsaka pag nagbakasyon ka, parang hindi ka pa rin nagbakasyon kasi panay tawag, di ba?
Tsaka nagbakasyon ka, syempre, pag aminin na natin, pag employee ka, titipid-tipid ka.
Oo.
Pero to, with lifestyles, it didn't just address the time freedom, but even it gave us the means to be able to afford that kind of lifestyle.
Tsaka
Kaya
yung-
nga lifestyles eh.
Kaya nga di ba? Travel in style.
True, travel is
So,
that.
yun yung common natin pang isa.
the
We
travel.
all love the time freedom that we
Yes.
are experiencing here.
Oo.
Right?
You mentioned kanina, di ba? Yeah, there was a transformation in you that you felt na parang ano ka lang,
Personal
growth.
Yeah.
I'm really wondering, paano ba nangyayari sa atin yun? Kasi I guess a lot of people, yun din na naging experience nila. Is it the...
Actually, yun yung unang-unang wino-workout ni lifestyle sa'yo. Hindi mo lang alam, unconsciously, pero yung transformation.
But how does it happen?
Because there's a training.
Okay.
Oh, their training is a lot different from the traditional trainings that you attend. Iba yung training. It's not stiff.
Okay.
You are welcome as you are.
Yes.
They're
Yeah, I
not
like
looking
that.
for your mistakes. It's yun nga, happily informal.
No, not seeking perfection
So, they just appreciate you as you are.
True.
And you
And then
come as you are, and then support you, love you, and then suddenly your greatness comes out.
Suddenly,
Because of
the
the support.
butterfly comes out from the cocoon.
Yeah.
Diba?
So the transformation happens there. It's something
It's
that
natural.
you're not aware of, but if you just go with the flow,
Yes.
Yeah.
you just do the system,
Yes.
according to the lifestyle system, and then
Yes.
you sooner or later realize that this is it.
Ikaw na yan. That's a new
You
you.
transform.
So
And then the
this is-
income just follows.
Yes.
Diba?
You may not notice it, but your friends will.
Yes.
I love having chit chat with you, but
Oo,
But we still have
Getting
our
long.
event later.
Yes, sige.
yeah, we will go to our event later. So this is Intra Show. We hope to see you next
On our
time.
next episode.
Just if you have lifestyles distributor around you, that's talking to you, keep talking to them,
Yes.
search them, and who knows, someday you're gonna be with us traveling the world.
Yes.
And become an inspiration to a lot of people.
And we're looking forward to that.
And
Okay.
if somebody invites you, don't say no, but say yes to Intra.
Yes to Intra.
Yes to
Intra.
Bye.